Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Not be smarty the apple since so for a dose. Everybody shock. Oh. The new governor, they take things very personal. Somebody say personal. Of course, now very personal. If you want to say that what the apple, I go tell you now. Now, Governor Monday, he say, see, Supreme Court not fit amend Nigerian Constitution. You hear am so? He said the Supreme Court amend Nigeria Constitution say not dey possible. It does challenge Supreme Court now. He saw those local government, the 18 local government chairmen. He said they remain suspended. He said not anybody go do. He said because governor gets in your power as governor. Supreme Court get your power as Supreme Court. As matter relating to the Constitution, because you be Supreme Court, not be say you just sit down, then you go just change things. He said no happen. He said no way, lie. He said no dey happen. He said so even don't talk and say na him be governor of Edo State. People of Edo State dey vote am. He said na they give am mandate. He said so all the 18 local government chairman he said make them go the way pass Supreme Court, make them go there. He said because suspension is suspension. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Hear the matter now. Tension in Edo State as Governor Ekpagbolo challenged Supreme Court. Local government autonomy. He said they cannot change Nigerian constitution. They remain suspended. Not be small thing. The prevailing constitutional crisis in Edo State took a dramatic turn on Monday as Senator Nana Governor Monday Ekpagbolo and the Edo State House of Assembly fight it down on their suspension of the 18 local government chairman, defiling a high court order retrieving their position on the matter, saying the suspension and the prohibition is further intensified to all local council affairs in the state granted. Justice Efe Emaikovo of the Edo State High Court issued a mandatory injunction on Friday, declaring the Supreme Court rules the Supreme Court matter on this suspension null and void and restricting the state governor or government and other parties from meddling into local government operation till the supervision of the case is heard. However, state officials have flagged off disregard for the rule in a directive challenging the jurisdiction of the court, saying nothing of such. Says the Supreme Court cannot rewrite Nigerian constitution, is not done, is unheard of. The justice has given directives, however, the governor says no way. But it says the issue right now, the restriction from the ground roots governance and successful recovery of the landmark of Supreme Court judgment in July affecting the financial and administrative independence of local councils. Officials says the Edo State government has chosen to openly defy the presidential policy, claiming that state laws supersede federal mandate. The crisis began when Governor Ekpagbolo issued a 48 hours ultimatum demanding local councils chairmen submit their financial statement directly to him. Following their refusal, the governor petitioned the state assembly to suspend the chairman, citing gross misconduct under section 10 subsection 1 of the Edo State Local Government Law 2000. This section, however, had already declared unconstitutional by the Edo State High Court in a separate judgment last month. Despite the local setback, the Edo State promptly suspended the chairmen and their deputies for 2 months, disregarding judiciary authority and Supreme Court ruling on local government independence. The state's governance deference has extended beyond local disputes to openly contesting statement from the Attorney General of the Federation, Chief Lafe Fagbemi San. The AGF recently reaffirmed that only local councillors, not governors or state assembly hold the constitutional authority to suspend or remove elected government officials. Yet, Edo State officials, including Barrister Enyota of the Governor's Administrative Panel, dismissed this local reasons appealing on national television. Enekowa disclosed that this constitution has placed local government under state control and made the law of the federal irrelevant. Financial autonomy is about giving them access, but that does not mean state government do not have control over how they use their money. The Supreme Court cannot amend the constitution, the governor insisted, dismissing the words of the Supreme Court. Adding fuel to fire, Kajim Afogba, another panel member, said, Lafair Fagbemi San might be the law official of the Federation, but he does not represent the constitution of the country, and he does not represent other laws made via under the provision of the constitution of the Edo State House of Assembly. The governor's spokesman, Fred Itoha, added the decision of the State House of Assembly, vice versa, the governor of the state, Senator Monday Kwagbalo, are justifiable. It is essential to note that the appeal court is both a court of law and a policy court. While it has the power to make policies decision, it cannot exercise this authority when the constitution is clear on a matter. The House of Assembly has the power to overrule the activity of the governor, and similarly, the governor has the right to exercise oversight over the local government chairman. The current constitutional constraint recognizes two tiers federal design. It is clearly stipulated in the constitution. PDP chieftain Honorable Osai said the unfolding event is shocking, rebellious against the rule of law and presidential authority. This na the matter when he dey grammar people. Edo State tie rappers with the talk so. He tie rapper for this matter. Say, governor, what's going on here? Who is the authority in this power? Now so, not be small fight dey grano over this matter. So we must hear who won't win. My dear, it's the supreme battle. We go like to hear what you dey think for this matter. You dey hear the whole matters where they go back and forth. Lord, they speak. Who get power, they talk. Leave us comments and don't forget to like us or share, subscribe. God will bless you. Not be small thing. No. Bye for now. Compliment of the season.